We've done several videos on laser alignment, and the examples that we've given, they all deal with laser alignment pretty much horizontally, and that's because laser alignment uses that horizontal origin line. But what if you need to do something that's a little more vertical? Let's take a look. Here I have a long, narrow hoop, and it's long in the Y, so that requires a design that has a lot of verticality to it. So what if I want to use laser alignment with this and I want to align to this vertical line? Well, laser alignment doesn't use that line, it uses this line. Okay, if I rotate my design, now my design is set up along this line. I can use it for laser alignment. I just have to pay attention to the top is on the left and the bottom is on the right. And with laser alignment, this doesn't really matter, except typically it's the left that you input first and the right that you input last when you're aligning it on the machine. So I just have to remember that, otherwise I'll end up with things that are upside down. I'm going to do one more thing before I send this over to the machine. Just to give us a little bit better visualization of what I'm doing, I'm going to put a crosshair right on that origin that we can see in the design. Now I wouldn't normally do this, but this will help it show up in OS so that we can see where that laser actually is. Okay, so I'm going to save my design and I'm going to send it over to the machine. So let's send that over. Okay, so now we have it at the machine. And this can look a little scary. I'm horizontal. I'm definitely hitting all my hoop limits. Nothing's going to work. Calm down, take a breath, and then we're going to align it. So the first thing I need to do is I need to move in my hoop up to the top and align to that line that's up here in my hoop. And then I would move down and do this second. And the only reason I'm doing this first and this second is because this is on the left and this is on the right. So let's move that over, and you can see where my laser is because that's where that origin is. So I put that little crosshair so you can always see what I'm doing at the machine. So I'm going to move up to the top of the hoop. Now I'm going to press laser left. And then I'm going to move to the bottom of the hoop. I'm going to press laser left again. And now when I press laser center, it aligns vertically in my hoop. So one way to get the rather horizontal laser alignment to work for you vertically is to rotate the design in DesignShop and then use laser alignment to rotate it back on the machine.